Welcome back to the MSU Assessment channel. This video is part of the SPAL Assessment Platform tutorial series and is brought to you by the Institutional Assessment Team at Murray State University. In this video tutorial, we will learn how to create a new finding for academic programs. Let's get started. From the SPAL homepage, make sure you selected the correct academic year from the Planning or Reporting Year drop-down menu. Then, click the Assessment module icon. From the Assessment sidebar, click the All Assessments link. You should be redirected to the All Assessments by Program page. Then, select the PLO associated with the measure for which you want to create a new finding. For this example, we will create a new finding for one of the measures associated with PLO 3. You will then be redirected to the Program Learning Outcome Details page. Click the Measure tab. From the list of measures, select the measure you want to create a new finding by clicking either the measure's lane or its corresponding blue arrow. The criteria window pane will then appear along with the criteria of that measure. Now, click on either the criteria lane or its corresponding blue arrow. The findings window pane should then appear. Click the blue plus button next to the findings heading. When the new finding dialog box appears, complete all the fields provided. In the Planning Term drop-down menu, make sure that you selected the term or semester when the course was offered from which the data was collected. The section or sections of the course will then be listed under the Course Section drop-down menu. Select the specific course section you're reporting. This option also allows programs to create and report multiple findings for a common assessment. If the program opts for combining results from multiple course sections into a single finding, choose one section from the list and explain the aggregation in the Notes field. If you don't see any listed sections, make sure that there is a course associated with the measure. You can access the video tutorial about associating a course with a measure from the link in the description box below. Enter the sample size in its designated field. Please note that the sample size must only include actual participants of the assessment. Students who dropped the course, who were absent, who did not submit or participate in the assignment should not be counted. If it is necessary to make a note of the number of students who were eligible to participate versus the number who actually did, you may use the Notes field to report it. Next, enter the actual number of students who met the criteria or performance target. Entering the sample size and the number met will automatically calculate the percent met. The percent met should not be manually entered. Then, use the Notes field to provide brief information about the result or finding of the measure. Finally, save the entered information. And there you have it. You just created a new finding. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to MSU Assessment YouTube channel for more helpful tutorials and updates. Or contact us at msu.assessment@murraystate.edu if you have any questions. For more information about Outcomes Assessment at Murray State, please visit our website by clicking the About link in the description box below. Happy assessing, and go Racers!